everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to apply for PSW Visa UK. To begin, open Google Chrome and search for Apply Graduate Visa UK. Click on the official gov.uk website. The page explains that the graduate visa allows you to stay in the UK for at least 2 years after successfully completing your course. To apply, you will need your confirmation of acceptance for studies, CAS, from your university, and a valid passport. You will also be required to pay the visa application fee and the immigration health surcharge. When you are ready, click Start to begin your application. You will be asked to sign in to your UK visas and immigration account or create a new one. Next, enter your personal information, course details, and upload the required documents. After submitting the application and paying the fees, you must verify your identity. This can be done by using the UK Immigration ID Check app to scan your passport, or by booking an appointment at a visa application center. Once everything is completed, your application will be processed, and you will usually receive a decision within 8 weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.